Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Humayun. In today's video, we will be talking about the Vlookup function, that how it works in R. You have seen the Vlookup for most of the time in Excel, and it is a very useful function in Excel. Almost all of the practitioners and students use this specific function in Excel. So how can we do that in R? In Excel, sometimes it becomes a bit complicated for the students and for the practitioners, but let's see whether it's easy in R or not. So for example, if I have two data sets, I've named it as data 1. If you see, we have got this ID variable, we have got this name variable, and in data 2, I've got this age. So you all know that what Vlookup works, it considers a specific ID name, and on the basis of that specific ID, a unique, sort of characteristic of every observation, it merges two different data sets. So how can it work in R, whether we can use it or not? Well, to be very honest, it is far easier in R as compared to Excel. In Excel, there are always errors, sometimes while dragging down the data, while considering the data, most of the time we make mistakes, but in R, no chance at all of a mistake. So for example, if I want to merge this age, as we know there is no age column in this data 1, if I want to merge this age with this data 1 on the basis of these IDs, we have got 4 observations in data 2 and we have got 5 observations in data 1. So these 4 observations will merge with the observations of data 1 on the basis of unique ID. If you see, both of the data has a unique ID that is different from other observations. So let's do it. So for example, if I name it as merged data, because I'm merging these two data sets, so merged data is equal to, we will be using this merge function. Remember, merge works exactly the way Vlookup works in Excel. So we have got two data and we have got their names, so we have to put their names first. The first data is data 1, the second data is data 2, and then what I need to bring them in a one data set on the basis of a unique ID. What is that? So for that, I'll be using this by is equal to, obviously it's ID, right? You have to put this in the double commas, this ID. So data 1, data 2 by ID, you might have a long data set with 1,000 and 5,000 or 10,000 observations or even millions of observations. Still, you have to first put the names of those data sets and then you have to use this by function for it. Right. Boom. So now let's see this merged data. Okay, I made a mistake. Sorry for that. Data. See. So now for the 3 observations, we have age. So it has merged. Now we have got ID, we have got name, we have got age. You can also see it by the view function in the above panel. Merged data. Okay, let me show you. So you have got 3 columns now. It has been merged now. So it is exactly the way Vlookup works in Excel. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe my channel and like and put your comments if you want to ask something. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Allah Hafiz.